Hey guys, it's Jaronette. The title of this video, you already know what it's about me showing you my apartment. I really wanted to quickly show my apartment before I get kicked out. My lease is over. My face recognition scan thing stopped working, so let me get this done. This is my lovely living room. I don't know how many square inches or square feet or whatnot. It came with a TV, fully furnished, pillows, how adorable. This is a dining table, but we use it to iron our clothes. It came with that blow dryer. This is my roommate's room. A cute little mirror. You see the red kitchen. Came with plates and dishes and silverware. I wasn't really worried about any of that. This was equivalent to a microwave. Kind of difficult at first. This though, when I first tried to cook, it was so hard. I never used this like trying to play with it. I accomplished it. Here is the bathroom. So at first I was really thrown off by it, but I grew to love it. Shower head, a little window if you want to open it or not. Sink. In here is our washer. Usually in China you dry your clothes outside to save energy. You could dry it outside or on a hanging rack. The fridge. I have my salad in there. The freezer. The moment you guys have been waiting for. My room. When you first walk in, you see a mirror. This is the light switch. And right here is my bed. It did come with comforters and stuff, but I purchased this from America. Put it on my bed on the first day. This is the closet. More than enough room that I needed. Closet, kinda. My luggage, my desk. The goal of a desk is to study on it, but I just put all of my stuff on this desk. I didn't really study. More shelves and containers. Big and spacious down here. Oh, this is the heating system. I was really afraid that it might catch on fire, but when I did use it, saved me. That is our AC unit. Jackie Chan, he's making his bank. This is outside. I'm gonna miss this place. Oh, and this is the hanging rack that you put your wet clothes. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Shanghai, for being so nice to me. Thank you, China. Bye.
Fly, fly, fly. Scoochie, huh?